Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to reset or factory reset the remote of a Chromecast with Google TV. There may have been times when your remote may have gotten stuck, or simply that it isn't responding. That is, it's out of sync and you can't use your Chromecast with your remote. In this case, one of the things that can happen when your remote is blocked or out of sync is that the LED on the bottom stays lit. That is, you'll see a little light lit up there, and the remote won't react. Anyway, if your remote does not work due to any of these problems, desynchronization or freezing due to any kind of issue, there is a way to reset it to factory settings so that you can use it again. Although the first thing I recommend for any of these problems is that you change the batteries, okay? The first thing you need to do to test out your remote is to change its batteries. But if changing batteries still doesn't work for you, let's see what we can do to reset the controller. First, we're going to remove the battery cover. Once we've removed the cover, we're going to remove the batteries. In this case, removing just one is enough because the controller won't work with only one. Once we have the controller without a battery, that is, a controller that doesn't have power and doesn't work, we're going to continuously hold down the home button, the one with the house symbol. We're going to hold it down while we insert the battery. At that moment, we'll see the indicator LED is solid. We have to keep the button pressed continuously until the indicator LED starts to flash. That is, we don't release this button until the LED flashes. Let's go over there so you can see it. Keep holding down the home button the entire time, like I said, and put in the battery. Once you've put in the battery, you'll see the LED is solid. Keep holding down the button all the time until the LED flashes. There it is, as you can see, it flickered. So let's release the home button now. Once the reset is done, you can see the light on the controller stays on and the controller doesn't respond. Basically, it does nothing. It doesn't work with our Chromecast. But don't worry, pairing is straightforward. All we have to do is physically go to our Chromecast and press the button on the back, the one next to the LED indicator, just one press. Then as you can see, the Bluetooth pairing menu opens up and we essentially don't have to do anything initially. As you can see, it says a device has been found and it will automatically pair in 3 seconds. Here we have the controller. Now, as you see up there, it says it's pairing. And as you can see, it quickly shows up as synchronized. And the controller, once we've done this, works again. Anyway, on the previous screen, the Bluetooth pairing screen, if the remote doesn't connect you in that section, you can try pressing these two buttons, the home button and the back button at the same time, okay? These two right here, because this triggers the remote to enter Bluetooth pairing. So in that section, if you encounter any linking error, try this combination of buttons, okay? Press and hold these two buttons to aid synchronization. But in principle, if you have done it right, the remote should recognize you directly. Well guys, that's the extent of the video. As always, I hope I've been able to help. If that's the case, don't forget to leave me a good like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. From my side, nothing further. As always, a pleasure, and see you in the next video.